Let's take a look at number 40. This is solving a formula for the given variable. So let's refresh our memory on the steps for that. Solving formula for a variable. And we have our note at top, says at any step combine like terms and combine numbers. Step 1, get rid of parentheses via the distributive property. Step 2, get rid of fractions. Multiply everything by the LCM of all the denominators. Step 3, get everything with the variable we are solving for on one side. Everything else on the other side. Step 4, if the variable you are solving for is in 2 or more terms, factor it out. And step 5, divide both sides by what is in front of / behind the variable we are solving for. Now these 5 steps will solve any formula you run across in elementary, intermediate, or college algebra, along with general chemistry, a little bit of physics, probably actually the first physics class. You get engineering physics, it won't. You have to use some other techniques. But let's go ahead and use this for this problem. And again, the idea on this review is not for you just to learn how to work a specific problem, but just to refresh your memory on all the steps. So this one, let's see, we got A is equal to 2 pi, and I'm not sure why that dot's there, PW 4P. Having the pi, this weird symbol here right next to the P, that indicates multiplication. It's redundant to have a dot between them, because that is multiplication. Let me see if I just typed that in wrong. Let me look at the guide here. And, okay. Well, looks like another typo. The dot isn't actually there. There we go. I was wondering when I saw that. Okay, so let's go through our steps. First step, get rid of parentheses. Don't have any. Second step, get rid of fractions. Don't have any. Third step, get everything with the variable you're solving for on one side, everything else on the other side. When I say everything, I'm talking about terms. Well, everything with a P is already on the right side, and everything else is on the left side. Step 4, if the variable you're solving for is in 2 or more terms, terms are separated by pluses and minuses. This is one term. Last step, divide both sides by what's in front of / behind the variable you're solving for. There's 2 pi in front of it, and there's a w after it. So we're going to divide both sides by 2 pi w. Now when we do that, those w's will cancel there. The pi's will cancel. And the 2's will cancel. And we're left with p here. And then over here we have a over 2 pi w. A over 2 pi w. It looks like b is in Bill. So 40b. And it checks.